Good day.
Good day, everyone. Oh, okay, let me see if I can do this very quickly. I greet everybody. Um, this is a duty I mark present today, and I greet all of you, everyone here.
Thank you.
This job uh, is a very good job. It's a voluntary job. It's what we are doing for ourselves.
Mm.
Mazin Nandekano is a leader. Prime Minister Simon Ekpa is a leader. We have scribes. We have people that encourage others. We have people at the background. We have men and women. Now we have an army, and everybody is doing what it takes, what they can do to build our nation. And I want to continue from the person that said, Iwe Nweze. I will continue from there. I will now complete the sentence. Iwe Nweze, Igbo, Am Igbo, Ama Wezeze. That means every man is a king in his home.
Yes, sir.
Every man is his Odogu. And because of that, the kings, the people we select as kings, they are administrative kings because things are done from the grassroots. So when you look at it, that is why when you talk about Igbo and when you hear we are a republic, and it is in our DNA, that is who we are. That is why it's been difficult for us to blend in this system. The system that is, though the system is a very criminal, now it is so criminalized that it is, I don't think anybody there should sit where they are. Everybody needs to get up and start running. Because what they make it is a feudal system, pump and play. And feudal system, it makes sure the people are subservient. It's always the overlord and the servitude, the servants. And when you are not in the class that have made themselves the leaders, they make sure that they subdue you, they turn you to be a slave, to be their slave. So everybody that is in that contraction, I feel sorry for them. Thank God, Biafra, we are out. So let me go back to who we are, which is why I come here every day. I don't know a lot, but the little I know, I share. And I have learned so much here too. I've learned from everybody.
We
Why we are
appreciate
a
you.
republic is that the first day you are born, you already have your position. If you are Diokpara, your position is there. Every Diokpara knows their role.
Yeah.
They know what to do in the family. If you are Ada, you already know your role. We don't scramble for position. We don't clamor. That is why I look like we don't clamor for position because we already know why they have. Then you have the age grade. The age grade meetings, they are progressive. You have the Umada meeting. We are the original owners of town hall meetings. Because I remember, like I told you, I was raised in the village. When they carry that gong and beat it, everybody comes around. The age grade will pick the best among them to represent them, like their spokesperson. And that is how we choose our leaders. And we choose from the best among us. The only thing I know, like Mazin Nabikanu will say, he will always talk about the education. When we refine and fine-tune what we have, it will be a marvel to the world because it is in our DNA, republic. now call government of the people, for the people, by the people, democracy is ours, because that is in our DNA. When we don't mind all these ones, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy the way things are going, because there'll always be. I love when these few miscreants, they come out and they kind of echo when you say, oh, we are sieving the wheat from the chaff. You see the miscreant saying, we are sieving the wheat from the
I'm
chaff.
a child.
And you say, oh, the saboteurs. You hear the miscreant saboteurs shouting, sabos are here. And I'm like, okay, I understand. Like what you said. When people are crazy, they don't. That one of the things that eludes a crazy person is that they don't know they are crazy. And it is their neighbor that is ashamed.
That is true.
And one of the things I like about our government is that they are so laser focused, that I'm so proud of them. Laser focused. You'll never see a Deputy Prime Minister Dr. Ngozi Arapresu coming out to rant.
No.
You will never see all the just check around. In time of fundraising, they are so civil. It's like you when I go to that, I'm just like, wow, this is good. It's looking good already. And so I am happy with how things are going. When people come out, and those of us that are here, everybody have their own way of attending to the miscreants. Some people give it to them, like my beautiful what is this Miss Ada Rice. What is that her name again?
Who is that?
Progressive the Ada Rice.
Okay, bro. Bro. Why is such that we change your language?
She is now no. She even say it the way whatever the madams the her name she gives herself so many names. I don't know which one to call her. So yeah, she calls herself Arara. So Miss Arara has her own way of attending to them. That's Moneba has a way of attending to them, and you have your way. Very one day I was laughing when you were analyzing them. I laughed so hard. I said, Mr. Kai, if when you insult people, they will tell you thank you, because the person won't even know when you have dished out all the when you don't wash them finish. They won't even know you don't wash them dry. Take care this thing. Not madness. They won't even know.
Oh
So
my
your own
goodness.
system is, very, polished. So we are here to
Thank you.
educate ourselves and to make sure that Ndiare maybe they won't spoil things for us.
Exactly.
Let me stop it there, and I say let's keep doing what we're doing. Everybody, we all have different duties to build our nation and to recover. I keep saying we will recover. We will recover from what happened to us,
You see?
because you can't. I mean, some people were born into this nonsense, and they don't even know the difference. Especially the ones that were raised in the
Internship.
outside ahead, so they don't even know that this is not who they are. They don't know that there is something about them that is different from this criminality system. So it's small, we go, they go.
You know,
Yeah, so I rested there. Thank you so much for your microphone.
thank you, ma. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you.